Hello students, good morning. Welcome back to your 38th lecture of English Grammar of Essay 2. And our today's topic is we are going to do the textbook exercise of lesson number 90, conjunctions. So, all of you open your textbook, page number 110, put the date, write CW on it. I hope you have opened the textbook, put the date and write CW. Let's start our first exercise of lesson number 19, page number 112. Put the date and write CW on it. Let's start the first learning exercise, and the exercise is match the column to make meaningful sentences. Here we have given two parts and we have to join them. So let's start our first exercise. We wanted to watch a film. It is the first answer. First question is that we wanted to watch a film. Here in this exercise, whatever suitable answer of particular sentence, we will match them. Okay. So what is its match? Just focus on it. First is because I played for 4 hours, and science or coffee, but we could not get tickets. As we know that if we want to watch a film, we can we have to purchase a tickets, right? So which is the suitable answer is D. So answer of one number is D. Second number is I had a pineapple pastry. Just move on and look at the options. We have seen A to D options, right? Now we are moving further. And some muffins at the bakery. Just look at rest of the options. Is it suitable for it? No. Only one is the suitable for it and it is E. So number E is the answer of second question. Third is I am tired. Now focus on all the options which given in the B section. Because I played for 4 hours, and science or coffee. We cannot read D and E because we already done it. So we are moving on F because she didn't work hard, because she is polite, but I have injured my leg, but my mother doesn't allow me to have it often, and kind, or a chocolate, but my parents are waiting for me at home. Now just think which is the suitable of third number I am tired, and the answer of the third number is yes, A, because I played for 4 hours. When we are continue playing, doing same thing continuously, at that time we feel tired. So the answer is A. Number 4 is would you like some tea? It is we have in this question we understand that we have some option. So generally what is the option with tea? Yes, coffee. So what will be the answer here? Or coffee. Understand? Next is my favorite subject are mathematics. Here we have also some related, only we have to say the similar options. Which is the similar option? Means maths is one subject, so now we are finding the another subject, name of the another subject in the answer. So what will be the answer? Yes, and science. Understand? She didn't get good marks. Why she didn't get good marks? What will be the answer? Just look at all the options. Yes, number F is the correct answer, because she didn't work hard. If you are not work hard, if you are not working hard, not focus on the study, then you will not get the good marks, right? I love to eat pizza. Number 7 is I love to eat pizza. What will be the answer? Just focus. Don't focus A, B, C, D, E and F. Now we have to just check out rest of the sentence. G to L. Because she is polite? No. But I have injured my leg? No. But my mother doesn't allow me to have it often and kind? No. Or a chocolate? No. But my parents are waiting for me at home? No. Which one is suitable? I is the suitable. But my mother doesn't allow me to have it often. So the answer is I. Why? Because pizza is a junk food and it is not good for health when you eat it often, right? That's why your all the parents doesn't allow you to have it often, right? Next is I want to play the match. Then what will be the answer? And the answer is H. But I have injured my leg. It is my wish to play match. I could not play match. Why? But I have injured my leg. Next is my friend are helpful. My friends are helpful. Helpful is a one good thing in you, right? And we always be helpful to needed. Who wants our help? We can help them. We have to help them, right? So my friends are helpful, and which is the and kind? Yes. Or a chocolate? No, is not suitable. But my parents are waiting for me at home. It is not suitable. So the suitable answer is and kind. J. Next is I would have stayed a little longer. What is the next part of this sentence? I would have stayed a little longer. It means that I want to stay here, but somebody is not allowing to me, somebody is waiting for me and anywhere else or anything else. So just focus this type of option, and this type of option is L. But my parents are waiting for me at home. If you are going, if you are have gone to your friend's house, so what will happen? Yes, then if the some time is gone. It is 9 o'clock at night. Then if you wish to stay at your friend's home, but you could not. Why? Your parents are waiting for home. At home, sorry. Next is she is everyone's favorite. Why she is everyone's favorite? Because she is polite. Answer is G. 12 number, I can have an ice cream. And last answer is, which option is left? Only K or a chocolate. So this is our first learning exercise. We are moving on our next exercise, practice exercise. It is just below this exercise. Exercise A. Filling the blanks with conjunctions from the box. You may use a conjunctions more than once. Here in the box we have given only 4 conjunctions as we learnt it in our lesson, right? Which are they? And, but, or, and, because given in the box as in a helping box. So these are only the 4 answers which are repeated in each and every sentence. Suitable conjunctions are there. So, and what is the meaning of it? You may use a conjunctions more than once. It means that you can use one conjunctions in suitable sentences. Doesn't matter it is repeated, when it is repeated. Okay, so let's start. So simple as that. We have to filling the blanks with these 4 conjunctions. These 12 blanks with these 4 conjunctions. Winnie dash Romila are playing chess. Now, which suitable conjunction will be the answer of this blank? Yes, 2 nouns are there and both are doing the same action, so we use here and. Winnie and Romila are playing chess. Understand? Next is, the thief was clever dash he was caught. The thief was clever is the first part of the first sentence, and he was caught is the second part of second sentence. Then what will we do? Yes, both are the opposite, contrast. Thief was clever, but he was caught. So it shows the contrast. Clever and caught shows the contrast opinion. Next is third number, next page 113. Put the date, write CW on it also. 3 number, we are going to our grandmother's house dash she is ill. As we learnt that in first sentence there is a reason, something happening, and in a second sentence if there is a reason of the particular action which is in a first sentence, at that time we use which conjunction? Yes, because we need a reason. We are going to our grandmother's house. Why we are going to? Because she is ill. Understand? Next is, would you like to go to France dash Germany? Here you have 2 options. Which are 2 places? France dash Germany. And as I told you, most often the conjunction or used in the interrogative sentence. So here or will be the answer. I was nervous. Dash, I had not prepared well for my examination. I was nervous. I am feeling very nervous. Why? Because I had not prepared well for my examination. So, what will be the answer of this sentence? Because reason is there. Why I feel nervous, right? We need to contact the neighbor dash the caretaker of the house for the keys. Here we cannot use and because both are not similar person, not a same person, right? Neighbor is another person and caretaker of the house is the another person. So you have an option, and when you have an option, you can contact my neighbor, you can contact my caretaker of my house. Then what will we use? We have two options, either or. So we use here or. It doesn't compulsory that or is only used in an interrogative sentence, but most often we use or in an interrogative sentence, right? But sometimes in this type of cases we also use or in simple sentences. Number 7 is I don't eat cheese dash butter. Here two options are there. You have a choice. I don't eat cheese or butter. I don't like cheese or butter. Right? You can use here and also. Next is I wanted that bag dash it is very expensive. I wanted that bag. I want something, but I cannot buy it, purchase it. Why? Because it is very expensive. So what will be the answer here? I wanted that bag, but it is very expensive. Understand? I want to go to school. I am not feeling well. Here, I want to go to school. I want to go to school. I can't go. Why? If you have a why in your mind at that time, we use it is contrast. I want to go, but I am not feeling well. Understand? So this is the way. Will you go home early dash late? Yes. What will be the answer? Or. The grapes were fresh dash juicy. Here fresh and juicy both are the adjectives, and if we want to similar, both adjectives represent one noun. We use both adjectives for a noun. At that time we use here and. Have you remembered the example? How we join two adjectives with and? It is one of them. We can take a train dash a bus. Here we have an option, choices, two choices here. So what will be the answer here? Or. So don't think that only interrogative sentences, in interrogative sentences we use or. Sometimes in simple sentences we can use or. Okay, so let's move on the next exercise. In the next exercise there is no sufficient space in the textbook, so I have written here. And the second exercise B is join these sentences using the conjunction in the bracket. So we have to join the sentences which I have given in the two sentences given in one number, and after the sentence there is bracket. There is a conjunctions given that after the sentence we have to join these two sentences with the particular conjunctions given in the bracket after the sentence. The first sentence is I had a puppy. Second number is I lost it. And what is the option given here? But. So here we join these two sentences with but. So what will be the answer? I had puppy but I lost it. Right? Next is Hari can make breakfast. Hari can run the washing machine. Here we have given option and. So we join this sentence with and. So Hari can make breakfast and we cannot repeat Hari can because it is the common part. Run the washing machine. Okay. So whenever you join the conjunction with the sentences, just remember that whatever the common part of these two sentences, particular two sentences, just write once in the beginning of the sentence. Next is I can go for dance classes. I can go for music lessons. Here we have given option or. So what will be the answer? I can go for dance classes or music lessons. We cannot write I can go for second time after or. Understand? Next. I can play tennis very well. I have been learning it for last 3 years. And the option is because. So we use because to join these two sentences. So what will we do? I can play tennis very well because I have been learning it for last 3 years. While using because to join the sentences, just remember after first sentence, whenever you use conjunction in the sentence, after first sentence never put full stop, and after first sentence we use conjunction, and then we will write the next sentence. So do not start next sentence with the capital letters. You have to start it with the small letter because it is not stop. We join them. We cannot cut and stop them. Okay? That's why. Next is you can choose the red box. You can choose the yellow box. Here we have two options here, two choices here. So what will we do? You can choose the red box or the yellow box. Understand? Next is Yash is very happy. Yash came first in the class, and option is given because. So we joined these two sentences with because. So what will we do? We will write Yash is very happy. We do not put full stop. We use because after happy, and then we will write the next sentence, and it is he came first in the class, or you can write Yash came first in the class. But he came first in the class is the suitable. We avoid to write Yash. We use the pronoun instead of the repetition of the name of Yash. Next sentence is I want to watch the show. I am feeling sleepy. And the option is but. Then what can we do? Yes, I want to watch the show. We do not put full stop. We use the conjunction but. I am feeling sleepy. Right? Next is my mother can sing, she can dance. Here we have given and. So we have to join these sentences with and. So what can we do? My mother can and she can. Both are the similar part. So my mother can sing and dance. Okay. Next is Sheila ate a cheese puff. She was very hungry. Then what will we do? What is the option given after the sentence? Because. So here we use because to join two sentences. So what will be the answer? Sheila ate a cheese puff because she was very hungry. Understand? Let's move on. The next sentence. I like cats. My brother like dogs. Then the option is given but. I like cats but my brother like dogs. Here just observe this sentence. After cats we do not put full stop and then we use but. We write the next sentence but with the small letter. Just observe that in a question we have written my brother. My M of my is capital because it is the second sentence, but here in the answer we have written with the small letter because it shows that the sentence is continuing, right? Just remember this rule. Next is I like to read books. Second sentence is I like to listen to story. And the option is and. So what will be the answer? I like to read books and listen to stories. Next sentence. We can go to the zoo. We can go to the water park. Here we have two options. So what will we do? We can go to the zoo or to the water park. Okay. So this is the B exercise. Let's moving on the next exercise. Exercise C. And the heading of the exercise is rewrite the sentences using correct conjunctions. Here in this exercise we don't have given any options. Now we have to think about which option is suitable for the particular sentence and we will use it in the answer. Understand? So let's start this exercise. This exercise is on the page number 114. Put the date, write CW and you have to copy these two exercises, exercise B and C in the notebook. No need to write in the textbook because there is no sufficient space for the answers. That's why you have to copy these two exercises in your classwork notebook. First is Dia wanted to buy a new dress and the store was closed. Here we have given some incorrect conjunctions. So we will rewrite these sentences with the suitable conjunctions. So Dia wanted to buy a new dress but the store was closed. Understand? And is the wrong conjunction. So which is suitable? But is suitable because it shows the contrast of two sentences. Next is the knife is new or it is not sharp. No. So or is the wrong conjunctions. Here what will be the answer? Again but. The knife is new but it is not sharp. Next sentence. We can play indoor and outdoors. Play. Here we have two choices. Indoor means indoor games, outdoor means outdoor games. Indoor games means which games you can sit and play in your home, and outdoor games means which you can play outside. Cricket, football are the outdoor games, right? So you have two options. Which games do you want to play? Indoors, outdoors. Now you understand which conjunction come here. Which is the suitable conjunction here? Yes, or. We can play indoors or outdoors. Any one of them. We have a choice. Next sentence is Manu likes Chinese food because Namita prefers Italian. No, here because is the wrong conjunction. Here we have seen that Manu's choice and Namita's choice are differ from each other. It shows the contrast, and when it shows the contrast we use but. Manu likes Chinese food but Namita prefers Italian. Understand? Let's move on. The next sentence. I cannot go out and play but it is raining. Here in the first sentence it shows that one action is going on. One action is done. I cannot go out and play. And the second action represent it is raining. The reason of not to play outside. Why he or she not to play outside? It shows the reason. It is raining. Right? So what will we do? Yes, we use because. I cannot go out and play because it is raining. Understand? Next sentence is would you like to have orange juice and apple juice? Just think about it. You have somebody is offering you two different things. You have given two choices. You have to select one of them. Here also when you are going in somebody's house or party, at that time somebody is offering you, what would you like to take? Tea or coffee? Here same as orange juice, apple juice. Then what will we use? Yes, or. Would you like to have orange juice or apple juice? Next sentence is this is such a thick book and I finished it in 2 days. So what will be the answer? Just think about it. This book is very thick. Then what is the possibility? Yes, we showed the contrast. This sentence shows the contrast. But I finished it in 2 days. It doesn't matter it is thick, but I have completed this book. Next is I can speak French because I cannot speak Spanish. It is wrong conjunction is used in this sentence. Then what will we do? Think about the correct option. So which are the options are? And, but, or, and because. I can speak French but I cannot speak Spanish. It shows the contract. The farmers are unhappy but it hasn't rained this year. Here, first sentence is the farmers are unhappy, and the second sentence is it hasn't rained this year. So here the second sentence shows the reason of the first sentence, why the farmers are unhappy. Understand? So because it hasn't rained this year is the answer. So we use because to join these two sentences. The farmers are unhappy because it hasn't rained this year. Next sentence, in the last sentence of this textbook exercise is, we will go to Gangtok in the holidays, but it is a beautiful place. First is, we will go to Gangtok and in the holidays, and the second sentence is it is a beautiful place. So now just think about it. But is the not correct conjunction? Which conjunction will be suitable for it, and what will be the answer for it? And the answer is, we will go to Gangtok in the holidays because, why we are going to Gangtok? Because it is a beautiful place. Understand? So this is the last sentence. We have done this sentence. I hope you have understand and revise all the rules of conjunctions. Please do these two exercise in your notebook, classwork notebook B and C. Copy it in your classwork notebook, and today I am going to sending one worksheet of conjunction. Just also copy down in your classwork. Thank you. Have a great day.